Hello everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about a very simple but important essay topic that is often given to elementary school students, and that is an essay about myself. Now, this type of essay is one of the easiest to write because you are simply talking about yourself, your name, your family, your school, your hobbies, and your dreams. But at the same time, it is also very important because it teaches you how to introduce yourself in clear and simple sentences. So, let's go through a sample essay together, and after each part, I'll explain how and why it is written that way. This will help you write your own essay in a way that is clear, friendly, and easy to understand. Let's start with the first paragraph. My name is Sarah Miller. I am 10 years old, and I study in the 5th grade at Sunshine Elementary School. I live in Dallas, Texas, with my parents and my younger brother. This is the introduction. When you write about yourself, the first thing you should always include is your name. That's exactly what the first sentence does. My name is Sarah Miller. Simple and clear. The second sentence adds age and grade. I am 10 years old, and I study in the 5th grade at Sunshine Elementary School. This is important because it gives your reader a picture of who you are as a student. You don't need to add too many details here, just your grade and school name. The third sentence talks about family and where you live. I live in Dallas, Texas, with my parents and my younger brother. Including your city and family members makes the essay more personal. For young students, just mentioning parents and siblings is enough. If you don't have siblings, you can mention your parents or even your grandparents. Now let's move on to the second paragraph. I like going to school because I learn many new things every day. My favorite subject is math because I enjoy solving problems. I also like art because I love drawing and coloring. My teachers are very kind, and they always help me when I have questions. This paragraph is all about school life. The first sentence says, I like going to school because I learn many new things every day. This is a positive statement. It shows you enjoy learning. It's always good to start your school paragraph with something positive. The next two sentences explain favorite subjects. My favorite subject is math, because I enjoy solving problems. I also like art, because I love drawing and coloring. Here, notice that the essay doesn't just name the subjects, it also explains why. That is very important. When writing about your favorite subject, always explain why you like it. It makes your essay stronger and more interesting. Finally, the last sentence talks about teachers. My teachers are very kind, and they always help me when I have questions. This adds appreciation and respect for teachers, which is a nice touch in a school essay. Now the third paragraph. In my free time, I enjoy reading storybooks and playing outside with my friends. I also like riding my bicycle in the park near my house. At home, I help my mother with small chores and play with my little brother. This part talks about hobbies and daily life. The first sentence is about storybooks and playing outside. These are activities that most children can relate to, and they show that Sarah has both indoor and outdoor interests. The second sentence adds another hobby. I also like riding my bicycle in the park near my house. This gives more detail and shows how she spends her weekends or free evenings. The third sentence is very nice because it shows responsibility. At home, I help my mother with small chores and play with my little brother. Adding a line like this makes your essay balanced. It shows that you not only play, but also help your family. Now, let's look at the fourth paragraph. I want to become a doctor when I grow up, so that I can help sick people and take care of others. My parents always encourage me to study well and be kind to everyone. This paragraph is about dreams and encouragement. Every essay on myself should include something about the future. Here, Sarah says she wants to become a doctor. Notice she doesn't just say the job, but also explains why, so that I can help sick people and take care of others. That explanation makes the goal meaningful. The second sentence talks about parents. My parents always encourage me to study well and be kind to everyone. This connects family values to her future goal, showing that parents support and inspire her. Finally, the conclusion. In conclusion, I'm a simple and happy girl who loves her family, school, and friends. I always try to work hard, be polite, and make my parents proud. This ending is short but powerful. It summarizes who Sarah is, a happy girl who loves her family, school, and friends. Then it adds values: working hard, being polite, and making parents proud. Notice that no new information is introduced here. A conclusion should only summarize and wrap things up in a positive way. So, my friends, that was the complete essay on myself for elementary school students. Let's quickly review what we learned. Start with your introduction: name, age, school, and family. Talk about your school life and favorite subjects, and explain why you like them. Mention your hobbies and what you do at home. Write about your dreams for the future and who encourages you. End with a short conclusion that ties everything together. If you follow these steps, your essay will be simple, clear, and impressive, just like the one we read today. Thank you for watching today's video on writing tutorials. I hope this narration helped you understand how to write an essay on myself in an easy way. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more of our tutorials to improve your writing skills.